Good morning, students of class 6. Today we will continue the lesson Trouble on the Rohini. Now, what did we do in the last class? We saw that the Rohini river was there, and on either side of the Rohini river were two tribes. What were they? The Sakyans and the Kolyans. And it was very hot, and the river Rohini, the river water was low and the water was very less, and both sides wanted water for their crops. So they began a fight and there was arguments between both these tribes. Okay, now let us see in the slideshow what happens next in this chapter. An assembly then gathered in the Kolyan capital of Devadaha to discuss the dispute. We've just heard a dispute on the Rohini. The Sakyans have insulted our people. They must be punished. I agree. These Sakyans were always arrogant. I say we call in the army. So students, this assembly is a group of people that are gathered together, is happening in Kolyan capital. What is the capital of Kolyan? Devadaha. Now over here, one side of this group, one person is saying that there was a dispute. I told you know what's the meaning of dispute? Dispute means a fight, a quarrel. Okay, so they are saying, Kolyan side of people, that there was a dispute. And what was the dispute? For the river water. And they are saying these Sakyans have insulted us. Okay, they have told bad things about us. They have insulted us. They should be punished. Then another person from the Kolyan, group, he replied saying, I agree. The Sakyans are very arrogant. Arrogant meaning proud. Okay, very proud. They should be punished. He is agreeing. And what does he say? Let us call upon our army. Meaning, now there is going to be a war. Because for this dispute of water, there is going to be a war. Now let us see what happens in the Kolyan. This is the Kolyan side. Let us see what happens in the Sakyan side. And in the Sakyan capital of Kapilavastu, there was a similar discussion of war. Let's teach them a lesson. Get the troops together. Shouldn't we talk to them first? This is not the time for talk. This is the time for action. So, in the Sakyan capital, same discussion was going on. A discussion to wage war against the Kolyan tribe. And one person was saying we need to teach them a lesson. Okay, the Sakyan side people also. One person was saying we need to teach them a lesson. Let us call our troop. Troop meaning their soldiers, their army. Another person replied to him saying that shouldn't we talk to them first? Then another person of the Sakyan tribe said no. There's no need of any talk. No need of talking. We have to show them by action. No need of talking. We will show them. Soon afterwards, the two armies faced each other ready for battle. Meanwhile, miles away, Buddha sensed trouble brewing. I must stop them before someone gets hurt. So after some time you can see two armies have come together for battle. Okay. And many miles away, far away, Buddha, you can see over here, okay, sensed trouble brewing. Sensed trouble brewing meaning felt that something unpleasant was about to happen. Okay. So Buddha sensed that something unpleasant is going to happen. See, he is in meditation and he has sensed that something bad is going to happen. So he is saying, I must stop them before someone gets hurt. Just as the two armies prepared to strike, someone cried out, "Look, it's the Buddha. What's he doing here? Wait, stop. What's all this about? They insulted us. No, they insulted us." So students, the two armies were preparing to strike. Strike meaning hit, to strike each other. Okay, to attack. So both the armies were prepared to strike, to attack each other. And then someone, while they were just preparing to start the battle, someone saw Buddha and cried out, "Look, that is Buddha." And then they were wondering, what is he doing here? So they all said, "Stop, stop, stop. Buddha is here. Stop. Let's see what does he want." So Buddha then said, "What is all this about? Why are you all fighting? What is this about?" Then one person from the one tribe said, "They insulted us." Then the other opposition also tribe said, "No, they insulted us," because they were both opposing each other, both arguing with each other. So there was a lot of animosity between both these tribes. Animosity meaning disagreement, anger, opposition. Okay. But why were insults exchanged in the first place? The men looked at one another without an answer. "Don't look at me, I'm just a soldier. They told me to fight." They who would know, then who would know? Atula, he is the commander-in-chief. So Buddha is asking, but why? Why was this insults exchanged in the first place? Why so much disagreement in the first place? What is the matter? Why is this happening? Then one person said from the tribe member, one of the tribe member, he said, "I am just a soldier. I don't know." Then Buddha asked, "Then who will know? Tell me who will know." Then they said, "Atula, he is the commander-in-chief. Ask Atula, he is the commander-in-chief." So who is Atula? The commander-in-chief. Let us go to the next slide. Atula was summoned to meet Buddha. Summoned meaning called. Atula was called to meet Buddha. Now Atula is saying, "You want to know why we are fighting? Well, I'll tell you. You see, So Atula is unable to tell Buddha why are they fighting. He is stammering over here. See, as you can see, he is unable to tell the reason. "Commander, why don't you answer me?" "Well, I suggest we ask the villagers." So as he is stammering over here, they are saying, "Commander, why don't you answer? Why don't you tell us what is the reason of the insults? What is the reason of the disagreement?" So Atula is now saying, well, he is suggesting that they should ask the villagers that what is the reason for this disagreement. So Buddha says, "Excellent idea." Not Buddha. Buddha does not say this. After Atula says, "Well, I suggest we ask the villagers," he says, one of the people over there, one of the tribe members, he says, "Excellent idea, Lord. Why didn't I think of that? Bring them forward." So after Atula says that we should ask the villagers, one of the tribal members agrees that it is an excellent idea and we should bring forward the villagers and ask them what is the reason for these insults. So students, this is all that we will study till today. Okay, today we will study this much. Next part will be continued in the next class. I hope it is clear to you. So what has happened so far? Buddha has come and he is trying to find out, okay, what is happening? Why are they both fighting? So even the commander-in-chief, Atula, could not tell the reason. So he said, let us ask the villagers. So next, what we will study, we will see what does the villagers answer and what do they reply and what do they tell Buddha. So I hope this much is clear to you. Okay, you can download this PPT from the link below my video. Read it all very well. The word meanings are also attached with the PPT below, as you have seen. Learn the word meanings well, and the rest of the chapter we will continue in the next class. Thank you and God bless you.